Hi guys, so today I'm doing a review and this is for Beauty Big Bang's holographic nail polish. So I've chosen this green one. This is number 8. You can check out the link below where you can find a 10% off code as well as the direct link to this polish. So I'm just going to try it out on a swatch stick and see how good the coverage is. So the first coat is quite sheer. I'm going to let that dry and then apply a second. So that's it now had 2 coats of colour, and as you can see it is fully opaque. The shine that you can see on it right now, that is just from the polish itself. I've not even applied a top coat yet to it. I just want to show you how it was straight out of the bottle. So I will leave the link down below where you can find this item and the other colours available. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.